Start with the next one, that is Newton's laws of motion. So the first law of motion, it states that every object will remain at rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless compelled to change its state by the action of external force. Now what actually this Newton's first law mean? Take an example of any object which is at rest. That object will be at rest unless one force or anybody will apply force on it. If you apply force on that object which is still or which is at rest, that body will start in motion. That body will start to move. Take another example, a bicycle which is moving from one point to another, which is in motion. The body which is in motion, that bicycle which is in motion, can be brought to rest by applying brakes. So by applying brakes here is an application of force, and by applying force on the rest object is an application of force. So when you apply force on the body which is at rest, it start moving, and the body which is already moving, when you apply force, it will stop motion. So if you take some of the examples you will see here. First one, the ball is at rest, and when you apply force on that ball, that start moving. In the third diagram you can see the ball is moving, and if you want to stop that ball, we have to apply another resistive force on the ball. You can see a net here which is stopping the ball. So in the first diagram here you can see the ball was at rest, brought in motion. The ball which is in motion is brought to at rest. Okay, so this is Newton's first law of motion.